Y'all, I don't know where y'all at, but child, they said it's supposed to be a storm coming, and these people out here going crazy. Baby, going crazy. If you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. Period. But anyway, happy Friday. I'm out here in these streets just getting a few things because that's just what I need. And yeah, so today's gonna be a chill day. I don't know what today consists of, but yeah, just come on with me and we about to do some errands and call it a day. Hope you guys are having a good day. Come on, let's go. Y'all, it feels so good out here. It feels so good out here. All right, y'all. We got. All right, we are at the gas station. All right, y'all. So we got the gas. We got everything that we needed. I'm about to go home now and put up all this stuff, and I'm kind of hungry a little bit, so I'm probably gonna fix me a little lunch because there is no need for me to go and get some food out when I got all the food at home. Like, no, we are saving money. It's 2026. We're not doing that. We have vacations coming up. We have everything coming up, so we're not doing that, period. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the notifications on because these videos are dropping back to back to back. So I'll probably talk to y'all later because I want to relax for a little minute and get everything organized and stuff. And yeah, so I'll probably talk to y'all later when I'm chilling and stuff. And drop in the comments some good movies and stuff, because if I'm going to be in a snowstorm, baby, I need some good shows, some movies, something y'all like. What movies would y'all recommend? Shows, whatever. So I love a good show. Y'all know I love a good movie. So again, make sure y'all turn the notifications on so y'all won't miss these videos, because these videos are dropping back to back. Hope y'all having a good day. All right, BRB. Y'all, let me put y'all on the snack. Hot Cheetos and this type of ranch. So good. So good. When you just want a little snackety snack. And you have to get this brand. I mean, you can get other brand, but it's the brand that I like. So good. But tonight, I think I'm gonna have like chili dogs. And I don't know if I want fries or chips. I don't know. I haven't decided, but yep. Right now I'm chilling. Doing laundry. Yeah. Make sure you turn on notifications on and like, comment, and subscribe. So good, y'all. I usually eat it with some hot Cheetos. That'd be so good too. Well, yeah. Be right back. Oh, yeah. Y'all, my wife made some chili dogs, and when I say it was good, baby, it was so good. And I like raw onions on mine, but yeah, it was so good, y'all. And have y'all seen that movie called The Boss? Baby, I was laughing the whole way through. So good. And yeah, this is me eating it. So good and seasoned, y'all. So good. I decided that I didn't need no potatoes, but I have chips. But whatever. I like plain chips with mine. It was so good. Very flavorful. And I hope y'all are enjoying my video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe because you don't want to miss these videos dropping back to back to back. Y'all, why was that stuff so good? I don't know. And I didn't have to cook, so it made it even better, honey. So good. Very flavorful, y'all. Yay. So we are trying these. Never had these, but I feel like they're gonna be good because baby, I love a good ice cream. Oh, they're so cute and so little. Let's try, y'all. Mm-hmm. You are really good. Mm-hmm. Really good. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. These are really good, y'all. Go get these. Y'all, I'm not gonna even hold you. I, for real, took a little nap after I ate the ice cream. And it felt so good. But I was up all night after that because why would I take a nap that late? Like, girl, I don't know. But make sure y'all turn on notifications on and like, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all. Y'all, they talking about this snowstorm. Child, coming from somebody who used to live up north, I am not worried. Like, baby, I got my wine. I got my little liquor. We good, honey. Like, we got plenty of food. We chilling. We got movies going. Like, we good. Child, I don't know what it is, but I'm grateful that we have a warm house and everything like that. Like, I hope everyone is safe. I hope everyone who is out there, make sure y'all bundle up. Like, please, 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 please stay safe. Like, if y'all don't need to be out there, please go in the house. Other than that, y'all have came with me throughout the day. It is time to chill. I didn't watch a couple movies, but it is time to relax, y'all. So, peace, love, and happiness. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Stay safe, y'all. I'll tune back in later. Bye.